Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, or for an up-to-date list of available machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Extrema 36-inch planer sander. We would rate this machine in good overall condition. It came from the foam industry and was previously used to size off-size solid core foam panels. This machine does have a 25 horsepower planer motor, a 20 horsepower sander motor. It does have a 37 by 4 3/4 inch capacity. On the front of this machine, you're going to find 2 amp meters, one for each head. You do have a digital readout. You don't have to hit any buttons to start it. If you want to go to 3 inches, you simply hit 3000 to move the decimal point and hit start. You can also go up and down by jogging on the up and down arrows. You have your power on off, your power indicator. Emergency stop, this is also a reset. So let's say you have your feet on and you hit the over height bar. You're gonna wanna push that in and pull it out to reset the machine. This is your overload indicator. You do have table up, table down here as well. Additionally, you have a hand wheel underneath the table where you can manually adjust it if you really wanna fine tune it. Again, you have feet on, planer head on, sanding head on, and all your stops. We're going to turn that feed on. This is the slowest feed speed. This mat has never been dressed. Well, rather, it had never been dressed until we received it. There's a slight seam separation. It has stopped, so there's no issues with that. It's not going to further separate. You have a nice thick mat with no crazing. We're going to adjust that feed speed. Right now it's on the lowest speed. We're going to turn it to a much higher speed. Runs nice and smoothly as you would expect. We're going to turn that first head on. Those are Y delta soft starts. Turn that second head on. Up front, you do have your helical head. It has 222 four-sided 14 millimeter inserts. Those inserts are brand new. We did replace the full set. You do have your anti-kickback fingers, your chip breakers. Everything is set pretty well in this machine. We did dress the rear drum. It had never been dressed before we purchased the machine. That drum the life is probably at 85% or better. It is defect free. You do have a 2.5 inch platen in there as well, so that is a combination head. That platen also has new graphite and new felt on it. We're going to start it real fast. just hit the emergency stop. I'm gonna reset it. And finally, a backside view of this machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.